na video yan.
Ito, tunay na video na. It's recording. Hello, John Jay.
Bilis ako kumakain ba? Evidence.
Melissa, what are you doing?
I'm
Eating again.
You're eating
She
again?
needs to study again.
when I study.
Even if classes will start Monday.
We have homework already. We have books already.
But you're going out with us, right?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night?
Oh, me, of course.
First step. Seven to go. 7 more. So every 6 months ganito tayo.
Every 6 months a crying session.
Oo. Merong drinking session.
Kumakan siya for the next term.
Si Lola.
I don't know.
Si Lola, Melissa.
Si Lola.
Last time, nagpapako daw siya picture eh.
Baka nasama dun sa, kay la mama.
No, but nagpapakal.
There's Tita Nana. Everything was good. I'm recording right now, the video.
Pine nuts yun, darling. Basta hindi pinapapak yun, napakamahal. Cheese na lang.
Sarap, sarap ng pagkain.
Mag-grade ka. Gano'n pa dami.
You're being recorded right now.
There you go. Oo nga, yun ang pagsasabi ko. Pati kami
mag-drive.
Hindi bilata.
Is that Jasmine? Is that Jasmine? I'm recording you right now, Trina.
Hi. I'm Ariel.
Oh, Ariel.
Sing na. Hindi.
Not really. Kuya Matthew.
3 o'clock na doon, nagpapahinga kami ni Baby.
Hindi natin yung microphone.
Dumating si Willie ng 3 o'clock. No, yung coach niya.
Coding.
Coaching ka lang dumating na siya dito.
What daw? Mami, hello.
Sayang kung walang sakit si Tita Roma. Pero, hindi pwede.
Can I eat?
Yeah.
Is there more steak? Medyo steak. Yay. Here.
Mine need to record.
Protein is good for you.
Cheng, you're going to eat again?
Yes, eating again.
And it's recorded.